Guys, today I am playing with our super cute 5x7 box frame along with the Happiness is Homemade transfer and the vintage truck add-on. All of these, by the time you see this video, should be back in stock, so hooray! I am going to be using the colors Storm, Cherry Blossom, and Currant Jam. Now what I did was I used the mason jar from the Happiness is Homemade along with the Storm chalk paste, and as you can see there's a big opening of the silk screen in the middle that, or I'm sorry, the adhesive piece in the middle that I didn't cover, and that's because you only need to cover up the silk screen areas. The next thing that I did was I grabbed the two hearts that were in the vintage truck add-on, and I'm going to use the larger hearts with the Cherry Blossom chalk paste, and then I will use the smaller heart with the Currant Jam chalk paste. Now I'm just trying to figure out where I want some of the hearts to be shown because I know I'll be putting the Currant Jam over some of them. You'll see once the project is all finished. Now I did have a little mishap there. I did not fuzz up obviously enough and it peeled up some of the chalk paste from the bottom. So you want to make sure that your chalk paste before you overlap is obviously dry, which I did not do. So I quickly recovered, no big deal. It went back on and it looks super cute. Now I'm going to come in, like I said, I'm going to fuzz that up and I'm going to use the small heart and I'm going to use the Currant Jam with this one. You want to make sure your chalk paste is stirred up to a nice yogurt-like consistency. You're going to see that I had to add a little bit of water to those three colors that I've used, just because they needed just a little TLC there, but they came right back to life and they turned out perfect. So now I'm just finishing up. Like I said, make sure that it's, your board is dry, whether it's a chalkboard or wood. You want to make sure that it does come back to room temp before you reapply the silk screen down. So now I am just finishing up, putting the little hearts in. I think they turned out super stinking cute. Yay, there we go. It is looking like it is all done now, or maybe I added another heart. Who knows? You'll just have to watch and see. But the jar of hearts I just thought was super cute, and I'm not even going to have it say anything. I'm going to add a little junk bow, which you will see my dear friend Sage taught us all how to create them. I thought it would look perfect on the box frames because box frames kind of seem a little distressed, and guys, they're super on trend right now. So I was super excited to go ahead and give it a whirl. So the ribbon that I'm using is like a canvas or burlappy type ribbon, and all I did was make, as she described it, you make the awareness ribbon and then you squish it together, and then you take another piece of ribbon and you tie it together, and then you can fluff, add your tails, you could do whatever you need to do. So that's going to be pretty much the end of my project. I just love how it came out. All I used was some glue dots to go ahead and keep that on the box frame, and unfortunately you don't see it on camera, but I did make those tails a little less long. But stay tuned for the picture. If you want these items and more, check out my online store. Thanks for watching. Bye.